Hi there, students. Fluff, fluffy. So fluff is a noun, a piece of fluff. It's uncountable normally. And fluffy, the adjective. So if something's fluffy, it's soft. It's like wool. It's like fur. A piece of fluff. Yeah, a piece of wool or some sort of soft material, something that's floating in the air, or there's a piece of fluff on your shirt. Yeah, he brushed the fluff off his coat. Okay, so fluffy, light and full of air, a fluffy toy. Yeah, or you could take egg whites. You take an egg, you separate the yolk from the white, and then you beat the white until it's fluffy and full of air. Yeah, and then you put in sugar and make a meringue from it. So light and fluffy. Yeah, fluffy. Full of air. Yeah, covered with fluff. Yeah, a fluffy toy. Is my beard fluffy? It's probably a bit more spiky than fluffy. Okay, and then fluff. Yeah, a piece of fluff. You can also use this word fluffy to mean not very serious. Yeah, in television in American, fluff is entertainment that's not serious. It's just something for you to watch. To fluff in British English, to make a mistake, to do something badly. I fluffed my exam. I messed it up. Yeah, the actor fluffed his lines. Yeah, so to mess up, to do badly. Fluff, these soft masses of fibre. Yeah, cotton fluff, or maybe a dandelion, and there's fluff floating in the air. Yeah, this cat is a ball of fluff. Yeah, is a great big thing. Fluff, something that's useless, unimportant. The book contains some very interesting bits, but it's also got lots of fluff. Yeah, lots of useless information. Yeah, just bits to put it together. To fluff out your hair. I could fluff up my beard. Yeah, make it stick out. Okay, so fluff. Threads and fibers in a small ball or a lump. Yeah. So yeah, as he's got a cat, there is fluff all over the place. Yeah, the two newly born ducks were two little balls of fluff. Yeah, or a sweater, you get balls of fluff on it. To fluff something, to do it badly, to fluff an interview, to bungle, to mess up. Yeah, you could fluff a cushion or fluff feathers, get them into the air, or get them in order to seem larger. Fluffy. Yeah, fluffy clouds, fluffy hair. Or fluffy rice. The rice that I cook is light and fluffy. Fluffy slippers with these things on the front. Or fluffy snow. I see the fluffy snow falling. Yeah. And at the fair, he won a fluffy toy. So fluffy, a towel, a toy. It's soft. It's got tufts of soft things. It's fuzzy, it's feathery. A cake or food that is fluffy is very light. Yeah, the cake was light and fluffy. He beat the mixture until it was light and fluffy. Fluffy, covered with fluff, or looking like that. Soft and light, fluffy hair. Yeah. Okay. So fluffy. And then this idea of fluff, something that's not very serious, something of little consequence, something that's very superficial. So the film was just another bit of Hollywood fluff. Yeah. The news report was mostly fluff, but with a little bit of new information. A fluffy pillow. The squirrel, the tail of a squirrel is fluffy. To fluff your chances of doing something, to ruin, to make a mistake, to blunder, yeah, to just get it wrong. To fluff up the pillows, to fluff up your hair. No, well, it's too short for that. To fluff your lines, to make a mistake. Okay, so fluff, something frivolous, something that's not very important. So let's see, fluff, fluffy. Okay, a piece of fluff. 5 informality, use anywhere. To fluff your lines, to make a mistake. 3 informality. The film is full of fluff and is not very serious. 4 informality. A light fluffy souffle. 5 informality, use anywhere. Let's see, what about origin? Okay, we've got an old word, flu, talking about woolly substances, or flou, from soft fragments and things like that. It's probably so. It's certainly comes from Old English, and maybe it's related to Danish or something like that. So I hope I haven't fluffed this video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Fluff, fluffy.